Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from Kalshi. Withdrawing money from Kalshi is quick and simple. Start by navigating to the transfer page, then select the withdraw option, enter the amount you wish to receive, and remember that a withdrawal fee will be deducted before the money is sent to your linked bank account via Plaid. Review the details carefully, then click Submit. To complete the process, your funds should arrive within 2 business days. If you encounter issues, check if your funds are within the 10-day deposit window, as they may be temporarily locked. Also note that withdrawals to a different bank within 90 days aren't allowed. You must use the original deposit account during that period. Ensure your SSN and phone number are verified, and confirm that your withdrawal meets the minimum and maximum limits before proceeding. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.